I don't think people understand how amazing royal jelly is. Let's change that. Royal jelly is a nutrient-rich substance produced by honeybees, reserved for the queen bee. Packed with antioxidants, royal jelly can enhance your immune system and fight off illness. Want glowing skin? Royal jelly's vitamins and minerals promote healthy, radiant skin. Studies suggest that royal jelly can improve memory and cognitive function. Its anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce inflammation and support overall health. Add royal jelly to your diet for these incredible benefits. Remember, moderation is key. Like and subscribe for more health insights.